Hello guys, in today's tutorial let us together create a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. Navigate to View tab, right click on it, Custom the ribbon. From Custom the ribbon main tabs, find Developer and Ticket, then press OK. Go to Developer. From the Controls dialog box, press the Insert Add checkbox. Then you can delete the writing checkbox and fit it to the cell. Then drag it down to all the cells. As you can see, tick the job that you have already done. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.